not so good, but ayaw ko nang sabihin, yung bad weather during that time. Guys, kung hindi niyo po alam, the effort of the organizers is double the effort. Kasi, nag-start silang mag-set up ng event at night. Ilang tents yung nalipad. 1 p.m. at as early as 1 in the morning, nag-set up na sila. Parang around 60 tents yung nalipad, no? Because of the very strong wind. But still, naitawid natin. Medyo may konting delay lang for the dancers of the main event. But still, nandun pa rin kayo and we are very happy because it's a successful event for everyone. We are attended by 5,000 plus runners and we turned over 100,000 pesos cash and also donated Tupawi Cares for the Bahay Kubo and some of the marketing collaterals for this particular organization that of course it's not be possible without your support. The fact that you guys are all here, thank you very much for supporting Takbo para sa Kalikasan and particularly Water Run. Up next, we'd also like to thank our ambassadors and ambassadresses. I think ito, nandito sila sa harap. We are seeing Darwin, si Ana, si Fritz, and si Chen na nasa Mindoro ngayon. Thank you very much as well. And to our running influencers, na very active kanina pa. Nasaan yung mga running influencers? Nandito sa right side natin. Thank you very much as well to our running influencers. And to our pacers. Can I see the hands of our pacers for the 18-kilometer run? During that time, new set. Pero may na-retain si Shidley. Nandito pa rin. Thank you very much. And of course, our 10-kilometer pacers. So this one, kaya nagkakaroon kami ng bagong set of pacers is to give chance and an opportunity as well to everyone na ma-experience. I know na lahat tayo takam maging pacers, di ba? Of course, to help our colleagues, our co-runners to hit their target time, especially if you guys are well prepared for your distance categories. Up next, of course, we would like to thank the running clubs. Nandito ba si... Guys, all the way from Tuguegarao. Meron bang representative from Tuguegarao runners? Ito, meron pala. Oh, thank you very much. Tuguegarao runners. Thank you very much, guys. Norte ha, imagine traveling despite the weather condition, like 14 hours, right? 14 hours traveling all the way here to Manila para lang sumali sa water run. Chillax runners, thank you very much. Ayan, nandun sa likod. And also PS Bank runners. Nandito ba yung PS Bank? Ayan, maraming salamat po. And to Apple runners as well. Thank you. SSS runners also here. WGR runners, Wednesday group of runners. Thank you very much as well. And the rest of our running groups na hindi po na-mention, napakadami nyo. Ganon nyo kamahal ang Green Media Events, ang takbo para sa kalikasan, at ganon nyo kamahal ang lugar kung saan tayo nakaplace, which is the home that will live in the earth. Thank you very much. Also to our corporate sponsors, we have Accenture, SSI, CING, balita ko 500, kung hindi ako nakakamali. 500. ING, thank you very much. I saw your tent. Ganon sila ka-active. Kaya pala, parang tinawag namin sila during the receive of the certificate of appreciation. Ang tagal. No wonder kasi 500 sila. At hindi talaga nagkasya sa stage. Kailangan occupy yung baba. Also, to Talk Us, nandito rin. Thank you very much as well. And the rest of our corporate companies, private and non-government organizations who supported Takbo para sa Kalikasan Water Run series. Maraming salamat po. And that will not be more beautiful without our official photographers. Guys, kung nakikita nyo, the list of our photographers we have here at the screen right now, konti lang, di ba? Kasi yung iba, ganun sila ka-dedicated sa trabaho. Nasa ruta pa sila. Di ba? So I think we have screenshot, si GoJM, shots ni Jamelski, si Tim McGret, si Nelly360, running photographers, manong thank you. Photography 13, Bicolano Runner, si David Clark Photography, Team Malupit, Rox Roldan, si Kian Vistara Photography, and Tom's World. Maraming salamat boss for capturing the beautiful and very handsome faces of our runners and the rest of the organizers as well. Thank you very much. And of course, maraming salamat again to our Water Run Running Ambassadress, Jen Escobedo, of course, for sharing the good words and wisdom, of course, to Water Run 2025. And since wala siya, nag-iwan siya ng napakagandang mensahe. Panoorin po natin. Nasa Negros, I think preparing for a big race.
Oriental Mindoro.
Ayan, Occidental Mindoro.